Hey Phoenix gang, Phoenix Nation, welcome back to PhonateRite, the program that promotes standard diction, reaching Nigerians the best way to speak. Again, I'm back with words we often mispronounce in our Nigerian English, and with my guidance, we're going to learn the accurate pronunciation of these words so we can sound eloquent. So get your paper and pen ready and let's dive right in. The first word on my list today is plumber. You know how we pronounce it, we say plumber. Go and get me that plumber man. Okay, now let's follow the transcription for the accurate pronunciation. Here you have the PL changes to consonant cluster pl. And you have the M, okay, the U rather, changes the the short mode of tongue, So when you, okay, let me just not go, yeah? We have the M sound, and the ER changing to the short sound, E, the middle vowel, E. So the B here is silent. If we add plu plus A, gives us plan, plus gives us plus E, gives us plumbing. So the word is plumbing and not plumber. Plumbing. The sound of short sound, plumbing. Okay. The B is also silent in these derivatives. We have P-L-U-M-B. We say plumb. The B is silent. What you have is plumb and not with O. Make sure that you're not pronouncing this word with O here. That's the essence of writing this transcription on board for you. Here you don't have O. What you have is so you don't say plo, it's plum, plum. Okay? So also we say plumbing. There's no O here. You have instead, and the B is silent. So what you have is plumbing, plu. Sorry, I made a mistake here. The nasal sound they produce with the back of your tongue. Just raise it a little. Can you see that? So we add plu, plus A plus gives you plumbing, and not plumbing. Okay? And the last of these derivative is P-L-U-M-B-A-B-L-E. It's not plumbable. It's plumbable. This one has a posyllabic consonant sound, bl. So let's follow the transcription for accurate pronunciation. We have pl here, plus plum, plus plum, plus plumbing, then plus the posyllabic consonant sound, bl. So plumbable. So leave out to plumbable. No, plumbable. Now let's run it down and make sure you repeat after me. Plumbing, not all. Plumbing, plumbing. Can you say that after me? Plumbable. And that's it today on PhonateRite. Keep improving your speaking pronunciation skills. For extended diction coaching, visit our web at www.drsconsulting. You can send us an email on drsconsulting@gmail.com, and you can also WhatsApp us on 08170768650. If you're watching these on our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a video like this from us. Comment, share, and like. See you again. Until then, stay well. Bye for now.